welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Sara and I'm a travel enthusiast. Today we're going to explore Disney's Port Orleans Riverside, and stick around to the end for a room tour in one of Tiana's royal rooms. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my other travel tips, guides, or product review videos. Nestled along the picturesque Sassagoula River, this resort captures the essence of the Old South with its charming architecture, sprawling grounds, and inviting hospitality. Whether you're staying in one of the rustic Alligator Bayou rooms or the elegant Magnolia Bend mansions, Port Orleans Riverside offers a range of accommodations to suit every traveler's taste and budget. When it comes to dining, Port Orleans Riverside has you covered. First is the quick service option of Riverside Mill Food Court. Here you can enjoy everything from hamburgers and chicken fingers to jambalaya and shrimp and grits. Riverside's table service option is the mouth-watering, Southern-inspired Boat Rides Dining Hall. Try the Taste of the Bayou platter to try a little bit of everything. You can use your dining plan at both restaurants. Fulton's General Store is the resort's gift shop. Let's take a look at what they have to offer.
Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. Orange Bird is my favorite. I love this so much. Oh my gosh, look, the Disney snacks. I have the Disney Snacks Park backpack and this matches. It's so adorable. are specific to her side. Those are beignets. I guess those are probably more like French Quarter, but these are Riverside.
Port Orleans Riverside has a swim-in area called Old Man Island, complete with a water slide and fun activities like trivia and games throughout the day. Beside the pool is the Muddy Rivers Pool Bar, a hot tub, and a kiddie pool area. And there are even 5 quiet pools throughout the resort, perfect for cooling off after a day exploring the parks. And right outside the pool area is a playground for little ones to burn some energy. Each night, the resort hosts a campfire where you and your family can roast marshmallows. Be sure to check the timing during your stay because it can vary by time of year. Each morning at the fishing hole, from 7 a.m. to 1:45 p.m., you can rent a cane pole and fish for 30 minutes. Disney runs a catch and release program, but you can catch different species such as largemouth bass, bluegill, catfish, and even sunfish. The cost is $6 per person or $15 for a family, and this includes the pole and bait. Pricing is subject to change, but is accurate at the time of recording. And if you have some downtime, you can rent a Surrey bike or enjoy a scenic horse-drawn carriage along the riverfront. Boats are available to take you to the French Quarter Resort, where you can snack on beignets at the Scat Cat Club or use the pool, and the boat will also take you to Disney Springs and back should you choose. And as with any Disney resort, watch out for the wildlife. You never know what you'll find. And arguably, the best reason to stay at this resort is the royal guest rooms.
So we have Ariel and Aurora on the wall. And down below we have Hey Mickey, which is, it's basically Amazon Alexa, but Disney's partnered with them, and you can see here. You can ask questions, you can set wake up calls and alarms and all that fun stuff. Okay, so there are also some instructions to learn how to use it. So we'll have to check that out later. And then over on the wall over here, we have more princesses. Let's see, we have Jasmine and Cinderella, Belle, Rapunzel, and we even have the princes, which is really cool. There's a couple of them, and then there's more over here. Then we have the bathroom, which has this nice curtain for privacy. And we come into the bathroom. Look at the adorable border at the top. I see Pascal and so many other friends. Sebastian's up there, yep. And look, is it Mrs. Potts or is it Aladdin's lamp? Because I've heard both.
I think that's Aladdin's lamp.
Let me know in the comments below which one you think it is. And we still have the H2O Plus, which I know they are supposed to be discontinuing, so I'm actually really surprised that they still have it, but they do. And down below, there's a hairdryer, extra toilet paper if you need that. And we have the closet area, iron, and the safe over here if you need to use that. And then let's check out the bathroom real quick. That's the wrong button. This one. And okay, look at how cute the shower curtain is. It's for definitely Little Mermaid themed. That's adorable. And then we have, again, still have the H2O products in the bathroom, but just your standard shower and toilet that was luckily just cleaned. So the princess herself, Tiana, this is her room. And look how cute this is. It looks like it says, is this from Snow White? Like this frame? It's super cute. And we have stool. That's your luggage rack, but that is from Beauty and the Beast. And look who's on the floor!
Aladdin!
Magic carpet! And the wardrobe is adorable. And that's gonna be your mini fridge, ice bucket, Keurig. No, it's not Keurig. Cuisinart. Snow White is on the wall. Can't forget her. And then, let's see. We have a note from Princess Tiana. Welcome all. We are so excited to have you stay with us. My friends and I have shared so many wonderful moments here that this has been a very special place. This has become a very special place in our hearts. As you make yourself at home, you'll discover some treasured memories. You'll discover some treasured mementos my friends have given me over the years. Enjoy making magical moments with your friends and family in the royal guest room. Your friend, Princess Tiana. How cute is that? So, this is the royal guest room. Super excited about staying here and waking up with princesses every morning.
Thanks for watching my tour of Disney World's Port Orleans Riverside Resort. I hope you enjoyed exploring this charming southern oasis with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on my travel tips, guides, and product reviews.